Top 7 causes of dry eyes. First cause for dry eyes is a lack of blinking. If a person rarely blinks, his eyes and protective layers get dry. Normally, any person must blink every second to refresh tired eyes and focus properly. Second cause, if a person was drinking alcohol last night, for example. Alcohol dissolves fatty eye protective layers and the eyes are red the next morning. It causes discomfort in the eyes. Third cause, low eye movement can cause dry eyes also. Low blood flow and regeneration are very weak with low eye activity. Eye secretion get worse. Fourth cause, if a person was using eye drops, natural eye fluids will stop the secretion and the eyes get lack of necessary components immediately. It is called replacement therapy. Fifth cause, low quality cosmetics, shampoo or soaps can cause dry eyes also. Sixth cause, eyelash extension can cause dry eyes due to some components. Seventh cause is injection of BOTOX around the eyes, which can paralyze eye muscles and along with them the glands that supply these moisturizing and restoring tears that are necessary for the eyes. By the way, if you want to improve your eyesight naturally, remove spectacles and get rid of myopia, astigmatism or hyperopia, check out my step-by-step proven course Eyesight Academy. The online program consists of 8 modules, starting from mindset, recognizing bad habits of poor eyesight and eliminating them, and includes the best possible daily eye exercises from beginner to advanced level. Don't miss the discount, the link will be in the description below.